gals, Mr. Gary here. I have another outdoor activity for you. Today I thought we'd make some bird feeders. We're going to supply you with some bird seed. All you have to do is find your material yourself, and I'll show you how to do it. Well, my wife is a bird lover and she has a lot of bird feeders. There's different bird feeders for different birds. Some of them eat pellets, some of them eat seeds. We're going to send you some seeds so that you can make your own bird feeder. So we're going to make a bird feeder similar to this one. We will have a tube made up of a soda bottle that you may have, and this little piece, the perch for them to sit on, can be a stick or a pencil. Okay, you can take the label off your soda bottle. The smaller soda bottles or plastic bottles work best because the big 2 liters just hold too much seed and the seed goes to waste before the birds eat it all. So we'll start out. We need to figure out that this little post is going to go down toward the bottom of the bottle. So we'll make it a spot about that far from the bottom. Once the pencil's in place, then you can cut the little loops that go above the perch, such as this. Okay, after you get the little windows cut, the next is to take the top off and fill it with birdseed. Okay, to hang it up, get a piece of wire or a string, tie around the top. Then you can put the cap back on and you're ready to go. Then just hang up your bird feeder and wait for the birds to come by. Hope you have fun with your bird feeder and watching birds. Talk to you later.